Hello guys, good to have you back on this channel. Happy New Year. Today I'll be showing you how I did this thumbnail design. It's a Christmas thumbnail design. So let's get started. Yeah, welcome back. So today we have a Christmas thumbnail design that I did during the Christmas, I believe 22nd or 23rd. That was when I did this design. So I will just be walking you through the layers as usual, walking you through the layers to show you how I achieved this beautiful thumbnail design. So the first thing I did was to create a background on this Canva or artboard. So I created this background using the shape here, a rectangular shape tool here, and then this is the fill. So it's set on linear 90 degrees. So these are the colors I use. So if you click here, if you touch on here, you see this one, you go here, see the other color. So both of them are red colors, but different shade. So that is that. So I added the Christmas tree. After adding this tree or leaves here, then I added the Christmas tree and I changed the blend mode to overlay and I duplicated it. This will help for the background, just to give the background a little bit of texture so it doesn't look too plain. So that was why I decided to put this. Then yeah, so in case you don't know, this is my mother in the Lord. So this is for her YouTube channel, so you can check it out. She's dropping useful content on her YouTube channel, so you can check it out. If you know you want things relating to relationship and some vlogs, you can check out the channel. I'll be putting the link on the bio of this video. So this is the image, not really on its pure form. Let me take this out. So yeah, so this is the image on its pure form. So I added the hue and saturation to make this color come out. This is looking, I think they call this ox blood, so it won't be nice on the background, so I just had to use the hue and saturation. So I just decided to put the hue and saturation to spice things up to make the color come out very well. Then I use the layer mask here to make sure it doesn't affect the face. So that was how I got the image to this point. Then after that I added an effect on it, the stroke around the image. If you double click here, you see it. This is the stroke, 18 pixel outside, normal, opacity 99, then the color of the stroke white. After that, yes, so this is Christmas gift. Is celebration season, is Christmas season, so everything here is depicting Christmas. So after that, after adding this gift and this Christmas hat here, so I went straight to the text. So like I usually do, this has a lot of effects. I did this from scratch, it's not a mock-up. So I'll be showing you the effects responsible for this effect you are seeing on this text. So this is the drop shadow to separate this text out from the gift so that there will be a contrast between both. So there's a glow, an outer glow. Look at a little bit of yellow. If I click on it, you see it is yellow. Just a little glow for making sure it pops. Then there's the stroke. Yeah, the same stroke I use for this, 18 pixels, 99 0. Then we have the bevel and inbox. So that's just basically how I achieved this effect. Yeah, so you can see them here also, they are listed here. So after that there's another text, yes, palava. So it's the same way I did this, just I didn't put the stroke, just bevel and emboss and a drop shadow. I didn't add anything, so it's both of them doesn't fight. I like the design this way. So that is basically just it, a simple one. I like my designs very minimal. I don't really use so many elements on my designs. So that's just it. Then I included the levels. If you watch, if I turn this down, look at how dull it's looking. So I added some levels to make it pop, and then some color balance for blending the image and the background. Watch, if I take this out, see, but if I add the color balance, see, everything is looking uniform. And then the final thing I usually do, as we should know by now, is I group the image into one by holding my Shift Control Alternate E for Windows, those using Windows, and then I convert this to a smart object. So yeah, convert to smart objects. Why I'm converting to smart objects, so that in case there's an effect that has been applied too much, I can just go back and tune it down without the need to delete the file and start all over again. So after converting, so my camera roll, so I just increase the exposure here a little bit, plus 0.30, and the texture 9, clarity plus 25, the vibrance plus 14. Then there's the detail, noise reduction. So if you don't know what this noise reduction does, I think I did it on my video about preparing your image to use for your designs. Then there's a sharpening 27, noise reduction 22. Then effects, I added grains, some grains. The grains are this thing looking like noise on the image. Added grains, and then a little bit of vignetting, minus 19. And yes, that is just what I did, and this is I've designed. This is the effect, is it, and this is it after the camera roll. Yeah, so guys, this is basically how I come up with my thumbnail designs and some other thumbnail designs that I've done, like this and this. Yes, like I said earlier, this is my mother in the Lord, and she's a YouTuber. She drop quality content on relationship, family, and lifestyle. You can check it up. This channel can help you build yourself as a man, as a husband, as a wife, and as a family. So I'm going to be dropping the link on the description of this video so that you can go subscribe to our channel, and I know you won't regret it. So guys, thank you for sticking to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on the next video, I'll be showing you how I did a new year social media flyer, and I know you are going to like it. Thank you, and see you on the next video.